Number 50. Describe a time when you forgot something important. You should say when it happened, what you forgot, what was the result of your forgetting, and explain why it was important. Answer. Today I am going to share with you the time when I forgot something important. I once borrowed something useful. It happened a few months ago when I had to attend an important exam for my accounting qualification. The test strictly required candidates to use black ballpoint pens to write the paper. I was sure that morning when I left for the exam that I had put 2 pens in my backpack. However, I was not sure of their ink colors, so by the time I reached the examination hall, I quickly opened my backpack to check. To my surprise, they were both blue pens. This could have resulted in my answer booklet being disqualified, and I would have had to retake the exam. Since the exam was held twice a year only, this mistake would not only have cost me valuable time, but also a lot of money for the upcoming exams. In panic, I looked around to see any familiar face to ask for help. However, I did not see anyone but the examiner. I took a deep breath and decided to ask him if he had a spare black pen that I could borrow. Luckily, he did. He was willing to lend me one and did not forget to remind me about the regulation. I was relieved and ready to sit my exam, thanks to a kind examiner. Vocabulary. Disqualified. Verb. Prevent somebody from doing something because they have broken the regulations. Example. The police stopped the man in his car. He had been drinking and driving, and he was disqualified from driving for 3 years. Upcoming. Adjective. Something which is upcoming is going to happen soon. Example. Brazil is preparing for the upcoming Olympic Games in 2016. Panic. Noun. A sudden feeling of fear. Example. As the fire spread through the school, the students ran out in panic. Breath. Noun. An amount of air which enters your lungs at one time. Example. He can count from 1 to 20 in one breath.